Good morning, frogs, and welcome to your first Garage Maths lesson live. So, our focus today is all about ordering numbers, getting the digits and putting them into order. So, for example, I want to write down a random few numbers here, and we're going to look at how we put these into order. So, we might start off with So we have here, as you can see, 4 numbers. And what we need to do is we need to put these numbers into a specific order, i.e. from the smallest number to the largest number. So, starting with S for smallest and L for largest, we're going to place them in order. Now the key thing here is to look at the value of the digits. In this instance, the first thing I'm going to look at is what we call the hundreds. This number here, here, here and here. Now in 3 of our numbers they have the same digit there, but 1 has a much bigger digit. It's got the 3 representing 300. So therefore we know 321 has got to be the biggest of our numbers available. But what about these other numbers? How do we work those out? Well, having looked at the hundreds, next we look at the tens. We've got 2 tens, this number's done, 2 tens and 3 tens. So we know, surely, that 3 tens is bigger than 2 tens, so that naturally is our next number. 135. So that leaves us with 2 numbers, 123, 127. How do we work out which number is bigger and which number is smaller? Well, it's all about these digits here. We've got the 3 and the 7. Now, for the mums and dads watching, when we went to school, these were called units, and you will still see that on a lot of worksheets around. But nowadays in class, we don't call those units anymore. We call them ones. Okay, so this is 3 ones and this is 7 ones. We should be able to work out that 3 ones is a smaller amount than 7 ones. So 123 goes here and 127 goes there. We have now successfully managed to order those numbers. But what if we had a different number? What if we had the number, for example, 231? Where would that number go in our little sequence here? What would you need to look at first? I'll give you a moment to have a think about it at home. If you've got a mum or a dad or a brother or a sister with you at home today, have a little discussion with them about which one it is. Go! Time's up. Where did you put 231? What number did you look at first? What was the most important digit? Well, in this case, it was this that was important here. 200. Bigger than 123, larger than 127, greater than 135, but not as big as 321. So, 231 would in fact slot in there. Now, if you're in year 3, I've posted up a PDF of your activities today. You tend to keep up to the hundreds. If you're in year 4, for today, you're going to be going on to thousands of numbers. You'll even need to do some work on putting numbers into order and placing in the mystery numbers, just like we've done here. I hope this little video helped and helps you get on with your task today. Good luck, and as with everything, keep safe, guys. Missing you all.